Hello guys, and today you'll be learning that how to create a simple animation on the plate. Okay, that's great. Okay, I will turn on the screencast key. So here it is. Okay, now you can look what I'm doing here. Okay, now I will make simple animations that this brick this tube will fall down here and break into a pieces. So first of all, now I will add some plane here. Let's call it a little bit. Okay, let's turn here. And you can look that I have created some plane here. Then I can select cube, and then I need to do some chat to go on the edit mode. I can extrude it or I can subdivide it. So subdivide it one, two. Okay, number of chords one time, or you can just place to that and just placing one time. Okay, now the time come to go on the normal mode. I need to go on the year and again go on the user preference. You can do the shortcut key bar. No need to do. I'll go on the all, then need to spell factor. I'll do solve factor. Okay, now you can look that on the tools, T tools, then can look that solve factor. Okay, just tap on that. Before tapping on that, you need to that select the mesh, and you can do go into physics, then you can add into it into passive. So you'll see that some blue line is here. Okay, after it you need to select this, and you can just go to tools and just subtractor. You don't need to do anything here. Okay, no need to do anything here. Just click tab on the OK button, and now it's the it will take some minutes or seconds. Okay, mine's done. And now what I need to do is I can go up to here. I can look at I first of all I will select this and delete it. Just delete it, and you can just go here and select a double time, then zoom in. Yeah. Now what will be done is you can just go into physics. Yeah, go on the physics, then tap on the add active button. Okay, tap on that and just go on to the active mode. Okay, after it you can go just press M button. Okay, just press M button, then it's clear. Now you can look at it is going to the layer. So it is cube is in active mode, and this blue button is called it is passive mode. Okay, so by this way you can make some animation. So alright, now you can look that it is falling down. Okay, that is my animation. Okay, let's select the cube, and I can just make it here and up here, up the. Okay, I complete it, and you can look that now it's falling down into pieces. That is a really cool thing, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is some simple animation that you can create it. Okay, guys. This is the simple animation you can create, and it is very easy to create. Do it. You can put some color here. This is not the tutorial to put the colors. So this is the tutorials to make some animation. Okay, that is specially for you guys. You can have a fun by this way. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Hope you like it. Just subscribe me to on the second video to see me. Okay, I will produce just like this video. Okay, thank you guys. Happy to enjoy it.